Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you how to make custom buttons like this. When you work in WPF, you have buttons like this simple button. You have this simple button. But when I will apply style or the custom button template to it, it will look like this. So let's start. I will define this style from scratch. So let's see what I have. So here I have simple code. I will remove this style. So here is a simple window and a stack panel, and in the stack panel I have two buttons with the margin and width property and also font size. So let's see how you can customize that button look and feel. So in the window you will start from window resources, resources, and in the resources you will define a style with key of template 1. So this is the style that will be applied to the button. So in the start I will not apply a key. Setter property of template, target type will be button. This style will be applied to the button, all the buttons in the window, and let's set some value. Setter dot value, and here I will start the control template for the button. Target type will be button. In the control template I will have a grid, and I can make ellipse with width of 100 and height of 100 and fill value to red. So here you can see this style is applied to all buttons that are in the window. So if I will assign a key, then it will be applied only when I will set the key for that button. I will set the style and give that key to that style, so all this style will be applied after when I will apply the key. So if I will set the key, you can see the style is no longer visible to all buttons. It will be only visible to that key that will be applied to the buttons. So in the start I will not apply the key so that I can see the effect real time. And let's see, I want to set some stroke will be yellow, stroke width, stroke thickness will be 3, it can be black so it's clear. So in the grid I will have a content presenter. So now you can see the text of the button. I will set its alignment, vertical alignment to center and horizontal alignment to center. So you can see that I have made a style, custom style for that button. You can make ellipse or rectangle or any other shape and it will be work like a button. So now I will set the gradient for that button. Let's see, the gradient will be a bluish color. So in the fill property I will set template binding to the background. So when I will set from the button, it will be applied to the template also. So the foreground white. So I will set some properties. I will make it white and like this. So here you can see that gradient is applied to the button. Now I will make a resource from it. I will get that linear grid brush and clear that. In the window dot resource I will paste that code and assign a key. Key will be grade 1, mean gradient 1. So now in the fill property of background template binding, you can set the background from here, but I will set in the fill property of template static resource, and it will be grade 1. And here you can see the effect. You have to reopen that. Foreground will be white. So this is the result. If I will change something like the width, it will be affected on all the buttons. So let's assign a key. Let's assign a key to that. So in the style I will set the key X key. Key will be style 1. So style static resource style 1. So I can apply manually to all buttons. So the benefit of having key that if I have 2 or more templates, I can assign different templates to each button as required. So if I will make another template with another key, I can assign to the other button. So the key has the benefit of differentiating the templates for the buttons or other controls. So let's review that. Here is the window. Style will be nothing else from start. So here is a simple window. I will start from stack panel, and stack panel will have button, and button will have content, button 1, and button 2 width will be 200, height it will be 200, and margin will be 10. Its margin will also be 10. So let's start. In the window I have to set a window resource, window dot resources, and in that I will define a style of target type for button, and in the style I will set some values using setter, and setter dot property. I want to change the property template and setter dot value control template. It will be target to the button, and in the control template I have grid, and in the grid I will have some ellipse. You can see the rectangle, ellipse, and width 200 or 100, height will be 100, fill property will be blue, violet, and stroke will be black, and stroke thickness will be 2 or 3. So now I can set the key X colon key will be template 1, and I will set style static resource template 1, and to show the text of button I will use content presenter, and vertical alignment center, horizontal alignment center. So here is the final effect. You can set gradient also. I have shown you in the video that you can set gradient. So this is the working button. I can apply event, so you can see I can apply any effect to that button.